Day 2 in North Shore, rainy day. Mack doing yoga. More like tennis ball on his ass.
Hee-haw! WonderBoogie!
What? Are you gonna go surf?
Well, I was gonna go Rocky Point. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go. I don't want to get sick though, guys. It's so rainy. I got a really nice wetsuit though. I got the long sleeve spring 3mm magic suit. I'll probably be like in a jacuzzi out there with that thing. So
Nice and steamy.
I might just go for like 30 minutes to an hour.
Right on. So can we expect your POV?
Yeah, to be honest, that GoPro mount, I get a lot of water in my mouth. But I'll do it for you guys. Yeah, I'll bring you guys.
Yes, that's the man. Dude. Rainy. Oh. This girl is happy though. Our boat right up here. Tool sport case. Oh, that's the wetsuits. Oh, it's the spring suits. Mack spring suits. My magic suits. Yeah, you. And me, I am pretty sick. My body was pain when I woke up this morning, so I took ibuprofen. Now I can stand on the ground. So grateful. Enjoy Mackie's POV video.
What are you doing? Feeding the chicken? Oh, there is chickens down there, huh?
Oh, Coco いっぱい食べてるね。うん、ココね、美味しいですね。そう、まだそっちのだよ。No.
We are at the log cabin. Mana is in there. She's gonna cruise with Baba because it's rainy. I got the Brazilian boys with me. Yeah, boys. Rio, Lorenzo. Oh. All right, let's see how this goes. I gotta close this door. Oh, the cops are here. Oh, yes, Ziggy, reunion. Let's go. Oh, this could be a jam-packed session, bro. There's a lot of rippers here. All right, hopefully there's some waves. We never even check. Yeah, we're just gonna go straight down there. There's a couple. You can see that one right there. It's something. Pretty glassy. Give it a try. Not the usual North Shore, but it's not much wind at least. That's sick. Alright, angle. My bad, bro. I couldn't read that thing. Back at the house, but it's absolutely pouring on the North Shore. I swear it's been like 3 days of non-stop rain. First day was sunny, and then now it's just raining. I had no idea it was going to be like this, but you know, we are always prepared. We got jackets, we got wetsuits. Rinse the board off. Yeah, you get the salt off, I think. Clean. Okay. Let's get out of here. Until it's sunny again. Banana. Someone's gonna come play. I'm trying to take a nap.
Oh, party time.
Oh.
Wow.
No
No party. Okay. No party. No more party.